Today, I'm going against my dad's advice. He said to never ride on a motorcycle and always take a taxi in Nepal. But I decided to ride on a motorcycle on a 20-minute ride. Let's see what happens. The most difficult part right now is making sure that my stick is not touching his back. Not much gap in there. I gotta be very careful. Damn. That was straight feel for my nostrils. Oh. The roads are bumpy, the brakes are braking, and the gap is ever closing. This might be a through goes Hamilton moment. Hopefully not. There's only about 2 inches separating us. What the hell? What is going on? Oh my god. I don't know what that was about. This looks... You want my phone? This has been an awesome experience so far. If you want to see the gap. Oh. Not yet. There's about an inch of space left. There's practically no gap. If I move forward by an inch, I'm touching it. I'm now very close to it. Again. 2 more minutes left to withstand the pressure. Withstand the bumps and the brakes. Let's see. Each bump it gets more difficult. Each bump it gets more close. Whoa.